Okay, we'll have here Battle of Lee Mill, Dam number 1, April 16th, 1862. What you got to say about that, Rocko? I don't know nothing about none of that. Let's walk me. Enjoying a nice day out. Me, mommy, baby boy Rocko. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, see to the bottom. You see, Rocko? You see fish, my boy? This way, my boy. This way, my boy. This way, my boy. Go back. Go back. Come on, let's go. Stay close, mama. Okay, my boy. Rocko, I need you to find a way, my boy. See the path, my boy. Hey, lead the way. I have faith in you, my son. I have faith. Oh, man, how many trees are on? Hey, get back here. Chill, chill. Yeah, you understand that mean? Stop what you're doing. Chill. It works for a little while until you get close. Hey,
I got his balls. So
chill. Chill. Chill.
Papa.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
He was in the woods. He's trying to just run off, not knowing where we take him. He don't know. He don't care. There he goes.
Damn, look at that tree. Don't that tree look like it just, look at that tree. How that tree just bent the hell over. Days like this, you bring it all outside for about an hour, couple hours.
Okay, you got your big one, my boy. I ain't never seen you get one this big, my boy. I know you like big trees, big sticks. But dang, okay. Let me see you get it. Let me see you get it, boy. Get it, boy. That's right, boy. That's right, my boy. Get it. No tree too big. No branch too big. That's right. You got it, boy. You got it. You got it. Get it, boy. You got that, boy. Let's go. Baby boy.
Papa, let go.
Woo, woo. I like that, boy. I like that, boy. This was about boy. Yeah. A lot outside. A lot of trees. Uh-huh. That's right. All for you. That's right. You pee on it, you own it. Okay? My bad, baby. Okay, I see it, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Go, my boy. Let's go, my boy. Rocko is excited, loving this. Ain't that right, my boy? Yeah. Look at that there.
Dede Papa, Dede Papa, Dede Papa. That's that Papa.
boy. I know you're thirsty, man. Nice little walk. Probably drink all that. I shouldn't pour all that. What's up, big boy? With your water? Huh? After a long walk, Rocko need a little bit of water. But get on with our date. Enjoy that walk, huh, boy? Huh?